Stocographics. This Hello everyone, welcome to Falcon Stocographics. The stock of the company that we are going to discuss today is of West Coast Paper Mills Limited. The company was incorporated in 1955 with its registered office at Dandeli, Karnataka, and prime location of business near River Kali. The capacity of this company, manufacturing capacity, went on from 50 tons per day in 1955 to more than 900 tons per day in 2018. Current market price of stock of the company is rupees 265.10 with market capitalization of more than 1700 crores. 52-week high is of 295.8 while low is of 154.5. Shareholding pattern of the company where promoter holds 56.45% stake, FI has 1.95% and DII 8.48%. The products of the company include printing and writing papers, MG varieties, business stationeries, and these are the famous products or brands of the company. Vesco Bond, Vesco Indigo, Vesco Liner are some of the famous brands around the world of this company. Now let's do a standalone analysis of the stock. If we see shareholders funds and debt in the year 2014-15, it was almost equal. Shareholders funds were 597.75 crores while debt was 592.45 crores. While in 2019-20, the shareholders funds have increased significantly from 1298.44 crores and debt was 396.41 crores. Now, if we see the debt of the company, it decreased from 592.45 crores in the year 2014-15 to just 150.93 crores in 2018-19, and then again it increased to 523.62 crores and again it decreased in 396.41 crores. So we can say that whenever debt came to this company, it managed it successfully. And also the last 2 years of the business have gone into lockdown, so we can say that the debt management of the company has been very much good enough and the company can very well manage it. Revenues from operations of the company in 2012-13, the revenues from operations was 1545.19 crores while in 2020-21 it was 1368.4 crores. Now, if we see from 2012-13 to 2019-20, there has been marginal increase, little increase from 2012-13 to 2019-20. But in 2021, there has been a drastic decrease in the revenues of the company. So, in this case, the reason can be attributed to COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, because of which almost all the business have got affected. Hence, this reason can be understood and it is beyond the controls of the company. In 2012-13, annual profit of the company was 185.88 crores and in 2020-21 it was 37.61 crores, a general decrease in the trend. Annual EBIT of the West Coast Paper Mills Limited, as we can see over here, in June 2020 it was 229 crores while in June 21 it was 47 crores. Now almost all the businesses have got disrupted due to COVID, pandemic and lockdown. Hence we can see that the EBIT of the company has also got affected. Now if we see the quarterly revenues from operations of the company, it kept increase from June 20 to March 2021 and then again there was a lockdown, like a partial lockdown, and the revenues again got affected in June 21 quarter. It was 180 crores in June 20, increased to 574 crores in March 21 and again decreased to 268 crores in June 2021. Quarterly EBIT of West Coast Paper Mills Limited, if we see, it was -7, means loss of 7 crores in June 20 and there is profit of 24 crores in June 21. In March 2021, as we can see, the revenues were higher, hence EBIT here also is higher. So over here also the business got disrupted, but over the period of time, company managed to improve its EBIT. Here you can see in March 2017, the ROCE of the company was 21.26, while in March 2021, ROCE of the company was 2.59. There has been a decrease in March 2021 in case of ROCE. Again, due to the lockdown, the business got disrupted and hence it also affected the return on capital employed of the company. Now, if you see the debt to equity of the company, it was zero point 0.5 in March 2017, decreased and then again increased to 0.47 in March 20, and in March 2021 it was 0.37. In 2016-17, the EPS of the company was 19.46, which increased to 41.85 in 2019-20, and again it was just 0.31 in 2020-21. Hence, because of the business getting disrupted, the EPS too got affected, as we can see here clearly. If we see the stock, the trend of the stock has been quite volatile. It has increased from the level of 160 to 170 to about more than 260, and then a decrease of below 190, and then again an increase of more than 270 and to 180 levels. Again a fall of about 230 to 220 levels. Then again an increase up to 280 levels. Can see that the trend of the stock is volatile and the trading should be done little bit carefully. The stock is responding very nicely to its moving averages. Now the last time the stock has bounced from 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average, that is from the level of about 250 to 252 levels, and now it is at 265.10. As we have seen from the last chart that the trend of the stock has been quite volatile. Here also we can see that it was at 280 to 280 to 290 level. Then it decreased to about 222 to 230 level. Then a consolidation and then a breakout at 0.5 level. It had gone to more than 290, then a decrease and then a bounce at 0.382 level, which will act as a strong support, and at upside it will be resistance at 275 to 280, and then there will be again a breakout. According to technical indicators, 18 say that it is bullish and 1 say that it is bearish. Again, you have to confirm with the fundamentals. Some more facts about the company. The company is self-sufficient in its power requirements, means it generates its own power and use it for their production and operations. There are famous brands of these products of the company. It has quality control mechanism to control the quality and to produce quality paper. It has captive plantations, means to meet the raw material requirements, it has its own captive plantations. It uses fallow and wasteland, which is again a bonus for the company. It uses clonal technology so that the best trees could be produced with genetic engineering. It has got FSC certification. It is a certification for managing forest responsibly. And because of these factors, company has been successful so far. It uses scientific methodologies as much as possible. Hence, its raw material and its quality paper are good, which will help in its operations in the future. Now, the growth potential could be seen only after normalization, as we have seen till now that because the company's operations got affected due to COVID and lockdown, its EPS, its profits, and its revenues from operations has got affected very badly. Now, there will be an increase in paper demand due to packaging, writing and printing materials, tissue papers, etc. So, if the demand increases, then this company will also be benefited. But again, we have to see that after normalization, will this company perform or not? Now, the challenge is also when it comes to raw material cost. These days, on the cost of commodities, materials and services, goods have increased very much. Hence, the increase in raw material will be challenging to the company, because if the raw material prices are increased, company will have to increase its MRP on finished products, and which will help or which will not help when it comes to competitive market. The company is very much ambitious to open up for new market like in America and more in Europe. Now, if you want to do a long-term investing, you need to always check its books of accounts like profit and loss accounts and balance sheet. Always check its fundamentals if you want to do long-term investing. Otherwise, the company is good for a short-term trading with quantities more suitable. If you want to trade in short term, make sure that you have large amount of quantity, fairly large amount of quantity, and short to medium term will be the best way to trade in this stock. Last, thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Take care.